Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, keyless go, a nice wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance. Start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our buttons for our radio, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. The C-Class has 14,047 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.